able to stand here today in celebration, not just of what's been built, but of what's possible when people give with open hands and faithful hearts. My daddy used to tell me, Gina, you cannot outgive God. And I believe that now more than ever.
I came to Lighthouse about 2 years ago. I was living in the woods. I started going to church next to the woods, and they helped me get into Lighthouse Ministries. Since then, I have got myself a new vehicle, and now I am sitting in my own new home. I want to say thank you so much to Lighthouse Ministries. Thank you for letting me start my life over.
Hi, my name is Jimmy Braun. I'd just like to take a moment to say how blessed I am to have the opportunity to work on the Lighthouse Ministries project for Highland Homes. It will have a lasting impact on Lakeland's future and give many people the opportunity to afford the future that they wouldn't have otherwise been blessed with.
3, 2, 1.
I'm Steve Kirbyville, CEO of Lighthouse Ministries, and I just want to thank Highland Homes and all the vendors and all those that have been helping us see a dream come true with the vision that was started back in 2020, and we were running into some obstacles, and we found the help from Highland Homes and David Adams and Jimmy and all the folks that came together, and they came together with the desire to get these affordable homes built for these homeless individuals who had completed their recovery program and they were ready to move out, but they didn't have the housing until Highland Homes stepped in. We thank you so much for all of your help in making these homes become filled with the life of those that we are serving. And we thank you for all you've done.